application of derivatives. Okay, so good afternoon. Okay, now we are going to revise the questions from this sample paper. Okay, take the sample paper from derivatives and application of derivatives. From derivatives and application of derivatives. Look at the questions given here. Look at the ninth one. Can you answer this question? The total cost of the function is given by C of x is equal to x square plus 30x plus 1500. The marginal cost when 10 units are produced is, try the ninth one, try the ninth one and 11th one. Okay, not all questions, 9 and 11. Try to solve it. 9th one and 11th one. Find the total cost. Cost function is given. You have to find out the marginal cost. What is the answer for the first one? How will you find the marginal cost here? Ninth one. Yes, Tomlin. What is the answer?
50.
50. Is it correct, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now look at the next one, 11th one. The equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube plus x at the point 1, 2 is dash. The equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube plus x at the point 1, 2. Equation of the tangent we have to find. Equation of the tangent. What is the formula for equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Point is given, substitute that point. Try the 11th one. Yes, what is the answer? What is dy by dx? It is 3x square plus 1, isn't it? So dy by dx is it 4? Slope of the tangent is it 4? Anila? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Slope is 4. So y minus 1 is equal to, y minus 2 is equal to 4 into x minus 1. Am I correct, Tomlin?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the equation? Final equation is?
Option B.
Aparna? What is the answer, Aparna?
Ma'am, the final answer? Ma'am. Ma'am, is it the last answer?
Yes, Aparna, what is the answer for the 11th one?
Ma'am,
Aishwarya, B. Aishwarya, is it B? Answer is?
Ma'am, it's four. Yes, ma'am.
Now try the next one. Okay, look at the 28th one. Y is equal to mod X. 28th one, 29, 28, 29. Okay, 30th one, no need to do it now because it is with minimum. 28 and 29. Look at the 28th one. The function y is equal to mod X. Is it continuous? What you have learned? Actually, this one, this part comes in 11th standard. Okay, we have learned it earlier. Mod X. What about the graph of mod X? Graph of mod X is, you'll be getting a graph like this, isn't it? It's a continuous, it's a V-shaped curve. So mod X is continuous. Okay, but not differentiable at X is equal to 0. No. Okay, write down this point. Note down in your notebook. Mod X is continuous, but not differentiable at X is 0. In general, we can say like this. If it is modulus of X minus A, modulus of X minus A is continuous at all points, but not differentiable at. If it is X minus A, it is not differentiable at X is equal to A. It is not differentiable at X is equal to A. If it is X minus A, we will write the opposite of it. X is equal to A. Okay. So can you tell me where you will get the discontinuity at modulus of X plus 3? Where you will get discontinuity modulus of X plus 3? Tomlin? Modulus of X plus 3, where you will get discontinuity?
Don't know, ma'am.
Look at here. If it is X minus A, what we are writing? If it is X minus A, X minus A is 0. What is inside the modulus? Equated to 0. So X is equal to A. So here, if it is X plus 3, can you give the answer now, Tomlin?
Minus 3.
Yes, it is at minus 3. Okay, it is discontinuous at X is equal to minus 3. Okay, suppose it is given like this. 3X plus 7. Then modulus of 3X plus 7. Aparna, can you give where the discontinuity will occur?
Ma'am, 7 by 3.
Is it plus 7 by 3? Check the answer. Check the values.
No, ma'am.
Where you will get? Negative 7 by 3. Is that no? Okay. So we should be very careful with the sign. In option 7 by 3 will be there. You will tick 7 by 3 and finally everything goes wrong. What about modulus of X plus 5? Aishwarya?
X is equal to minus 5.
X is equal to minus 5. So it is continuous at all points, but not differentiable at X is equal to 5. Anila Mohanan, X plus A.
X is equal to minus 8.
It is not differentiable at X is equal to minus A. Okay. Now, Aditya Satyan, X plus A plus X minus B. Aditya. Yes. Yes, Aditya. X plus A plus X plus B. Modulus of X plus A plus modulus of X minus B. Try this.
X is minus A and X is B.
Yes, correct. 2 points we will get. Discontinuity will occur at 2 points. Minus A and B. We will be getting discontinuity at minus A and B. Okay. Is it clear? Is it okay, Aparna? Okay, note down in your textbook or some formula booklet, note down this point because it is very important. Okay. And we have learned this in last year. But the question is asked this year, so we can't say it is not there. Okay. You note down in the function If a function is differentiable, differentiability implies continuity. Every differentiable function is continuous. Every differentiable function is continuous. But continuous functions need not be differentiable. Continuous functions need not be differentiable. Every differentiable function is continuous, but continuous functions need not be differentiable. Okay? Now, try the next one. X is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. What is d square y by dx square? In which form the function is given? Anila Mohanan. Anila is there? In which form the function is given? X is 80 square, y is equal to 280 means which form? Anila?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the function. X is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. So the function is given in twenty-ninth question. X is 80 square, y is 280. That means using which form of derivative differentiation you have to apply here? The function is given in which form? Yesterday we discussed all those things. Yes, Tomlin, tell me, Tomlin. In which form the function is given? Tomlin?
Yes, ma'am.
Which form the function is given? X is 80 square, y is equal to 280. Means?
Parametric.
Very good. It is in parametric form. Whenever the function is splitted like this, x in terms of theta, y in terms of theta, x in terms of t, and y in terms of t means it is in the parametric form. Yes, Anila Mohanan. Is it clear, Anila? In which form the function is given here?
Parametric.
Parametric form. If it is splitted like this, and yesterday we learned one formula. So what is the answer? Karthik, what is the answer here?
My 1 by t square.
1 by
Minus.
t, minus 1 by t square. That option is not there, isn't it?
Okay.
X is 80 square, y is 280. Then we have x is 80 square, y is 280. So what is dx by dt? Aishwarya?
Is it 1 by t?
Dx by dt. I'm asking dx by dt.
T.
Dx by dt is 280. Zana, what is dy by dt? It is 2a. We want to find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Dy by dt by dx by dt. Is it correct, Aparna? So 2a by 2at. So we'll get 1 by t. So what will be d square y by dx square? Karthik? What is d squared y by dx square, Karthik?
Minus 1 by t square
That's all? That's all?
into dy by dx. Dx by dt.
It is dx by dt. Is it dx by dt or dt by dx? Yesterday, we learned the same question. Take the board, open your notebook and find out what is the second order derivative is. We differentiate it into into
dt by dx.
Okay, but you write 10 times that one. Okay, 10 times solve this and send it to me today, Karthik. Yesterday I asked the same question to you and again repeating the same mistake. Okay. So it is minus 1 by t square into, what is dt by dx? Just a reciprocal, 1 by 2at. So we'll get minus 1 by 2at cube. Children, this model is very important. Parametric form, it is very, very important. Surely you will get one question in this form. Okay? Is it over? Now let's try the next one. I think from derivatives. The maximum minimum case questions only it is included. Okay, I think this one. Okay, that's all. Only this much. Okay, only that much questions are asked from tangents and normals. Okay, now let us do few more questions from tangents and normal. Write the question. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. Y is equal to, instead of y, it is given as f of x. Okay, f of x is equal to e raised to x plus x square plus 1. At the point 0, 2 on it. At the point 0, 2 on it. At the point 0, 2 on it. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. F of x is equal to e raised to x plus x square plus 1 at 0, 2 on it. At the point 0, 2. What is meant by f of x? F of x means it is always y, isn't it? Y is always f of x. Y is equal to f of x. Whenever we are given a function, this function, okay, y is always f of x. So dy by dx will be equivalent to f dash of x is equivalent to, what is f dash of x? Aparna.
Ma'am, e raised to x plus 2x.
Yes. Plus? Is there any plus? What happens to this 1? 1 will become? Yes,
Ma'am,
about 0. Okay. Give the answer. It is correct. You know the answer. Give it. Okay. Constant term, whenever we differentiate, it will become 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Then find out the slope. It is given at the point 0, 2. So x is 0 and y is 2. So what is m? E raised to 0 plus 2 into 0. So slope m is equal to 1. Now find out the tangent. Okay. Don't write steps and steps. Write the formula directly. Equation of tangent y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. Normal. Y minus y1 is minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Apply the value, find out. What is the answer? What is the equation of the tangent and what is the equation of the normal? Yes, what is the equation of the tangent and what is the equation of the normal? Karthik, equation of tangent.
Ma'am, x minus y is equal to -2.
X minus y is equal to -2. So you can write this as x minus y plus 2 is 0. Is it correct? Is it correct? Aparna? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
For the next one,
X plus y is equal to 2.
x plus y is equal to 2. Okay. So x plus y minus 2 is 0. Children, are you able to solve this? Tomlin? Sure. Okay. Finding the equation of the tangent and normal. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Shall we move on to the next type? Write the next one. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x square plus 3y. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x square plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. Which is parallel to? Which is parallel to? Which is parallel to y is equal to 4x minus 5. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x square plus 3y minus 3 is 0, which is parallel to y is equal to 4x minus 5. Okay, so here actually the curve is given. Here what you have to do? Point is not given. At which point you have to draw the tangent? It is not given. Instead of that, what is given? This tangent is, okay, the tangent is parallel to the line. What is that? Is parallel to 4x minus 5. Is or no? So tangent is parallel to the line. This point is not given. We have to find the points. Is it clear? The question, is it clear? Aishwarya? Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. We want to find the equation of the tangent to the curve. At usually some point will be given. Instead of giving a point, what is given? This tangent is parallel to the line. So what we can say? Tangent is parallel to the line means what we will get? What we know?
Both
Ah,
are equal.
slopes are equal. Slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the line. Is it correct? Slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the line. Slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the line. So what is slope of the tangent? From here you can find out dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx from the line. Okay, from the line you can write, equate it. And you can, okay, from the first one, x square plus 3y minus 3 is 0. So when you differentiate, 2x plus 3 dy by dx is equal to 0. So we get 3 dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 3. This is dy by dx we get from the curve, slope of the tangent. From the equation, what you can say? dy by dx equal to 4 from the straight line. They are equal. So minus 2x by 3 is equal to 4. From here, what is x? What is the value of x? Aishwarya, what is the value of x?
-6.
Minus 6. If x is 6, minus 6, find out y. You can substitute in the first equation or parallel line. You can find out correspondingly what is y. What is y? When x is minus 6, what is y? Okay, better you substitute in the equation of the curve. So 36 plus 3y minus 3 is 0. So 3y is equal to minus 33. So y is negative 11. The point y is negative 11. Okay, you substitute in the equation of the curve. Okay, because it is not a point on the line. So you substitute in equation of the tangent. Then, so we got, okay, now we have the point x1, y1 is there. So find out what is the equation of the tangent. So what is the equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus minus 11 is equal to m. What is m? Slope. What is the slope? What is the slope here? Yes, slope is, what is the value? 4. Yes, slope is 4. Substitute it. 4 into x minus of minus 6. Simplify and find the equation of the tangent. Go through it, children. Here, point is not given. We equate the slopes and we find the point. After finding the point only, we are able to find the equation of the tangent. Yes? Anila Mohan, what is the answer? What is the equation of the tangent, Anila?
Mom, I didn't do this question. I just joined.
Okay. What about Aishwarya? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? What is the equation of
4.
that?
4x minus y plus 13 is equal to 0.
Aparna, is it correct, Aparna? Are you getting the same answer? 4x minus y plus 13 is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Right, the next one. Okay, see, listen. Sometimes instead of asking tangent, the question will be like this. Find the equation of the line which touches the curve. What is meant by touching the curve? A line touches a curve means it is tangent. Okay. A line which touches the curve means it is the tangent. Touches at exactly only one point. Tangent will touch the curve at exactly one point. If it is touching at more than one point, it will not be a tangent. In that term, in that case, we call that as, yes, what is the term? 10th standard, we have learned all those things. Yes. If it is not a tangent, suppose the line cuts the curve, we call that as secant. What is the term? We use secant. Okay, tangent means touches the curve at only one point. Right, the next one. Next one. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 1 into x minus 2. Y is equal to x cube minus 1 into x minus 2. At the point, find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 1 into x minus 2. At the point where the curve cuts the x-axis. Where the curve cuts the x-axis. Where the curve cuts the x-axis. So, we want to find tangent to this curve. And what is given? Where you have to draw the tangent? Okay, this curve is somewhere cutting the x-axis. At that point, you have to find. We have to draw tangent at the point where it cuts the x-axis. How will you find the point here? When a line cuts the x-axis, what you can say?
x0.
Is it x0 on x-axis? Is it x0?
Y is 0.
Y is 0. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Okay? On y-axis? On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay? On x-axis, y is 0. On y-axis, x is 0. So here, you can put y is 0 on x-axis, or when it cuts x-axis, y value is 0. So we can say x cube minus 1 into x minus 2 is 0. So we can say x cube is equal to 1. So x is 1 or x is 2. So we'll get 2 points. X is 1 and x is 2. So when x is 1, what is y? When you put x is 1, what is y? 1 minus 1, y will become 0, isn't it? When x is 2, y is also 0. So what are the points here? The points are 1, 0 and 2, 0. So you'll get 2 tangents. You get 2 tangents. Okay, we get 2 points. The curve cuts the x-axis at 2 points, 1, 0 and 2, 0. So you'll get 2 tangents. First, you have to find dy by dx. So for finding dy by dx, don't expand it. Okay, you keep it as such and use the product rule. X cube minus 1 into x minus 2. What is dy by dx? Use product rule here. uv. X cube minus 1 into b dash 1 minus 0 plus x minus 2, you keep it as such. X cube, if you differentiate, you'll get 3x square minus 0. So we'll get x cube minus 1 into 3 plus 3x cube minus 6x square. So we get 4x cube minus 6x square minus 1. This is dy by dx. So now you substitute the points at 1, 0. What is dy by dx? At 1, 0, dy by dx is minus. When you put x is 1, 6, 4 minus 6 minus 1. So what is the value of dy by dx? It is minus 3, isn't it? So what will be the tangent? Don't write the steps one by one. Instead of that, straight away try to apply the value. Y minus y1, 0 equal to minus 3 into x minus 1. Is it correct? Aparna? Try to reduce the steps and write. So y minus 0 is like this. So minus 3x plus 3. Now take all the terms to one side. So we'll get 3x plus y minus 3 is 0 is one of the tangent. This is the tangent drawn at the point 1, 0. Similarly, you find the tangent at the point 2, 0. Find the tangent at the point 2, 0. What is the equation of the second tangent? Karthik?
3x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0.
3x plus, check it. The point is 2, 0, isn't it? So when you substitute 2, 0, correspondingly, what is m? What is the value of m? Your m value will change, is or no? 4 into 8 minus 6 into 4 minus 1. What is the value of m?
7.
It is 7. Okay, when you change the point, accordingly slope will change. I think you didn't change the slope. You wrote the same slope. Is it correct, Karthik?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay, when you change the point, slope will change. You just changed the point x1, y1. M, you wrote the same. Aditya, Satyan, what is your answer?
7x minus y minus 14.
Yes, 7x minus y minus 14 is 0. 7x minus y minus 14 is 0. Okay. Okay, children, with this we wind up. Okay, so learn up to this. Okay, what we have discussed in the class, you have learned about derivatives, higher order derivatives. You have discussed about marginal cost, marginal revenue, tangents and normal. Okay, practice as many questions. You have the book with you. Okay, take the book and try to solve each and every question. Okay? Okay, children. With this, we wind up. Thank you.